Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So this video is about styling black and whites. So I was actually obsessed wearing black and white while living in New York. Probably I was trying to be a New Yorker then. And it was only after I came back India I realized that my wardrobe actually missed a lot of color because a lot of black and white was entering my wardrobe without even my notice because I was so influenced by what the other New Yorkers were wearing. So this video is about styling some pieces of black and white from my wardrobe, but I mainly used a white color shirt. So maybe this video can also be called as styling a white shirt. So let's just get into the video now.
When I go to sleep at night, when I go to sleep at night, lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies.
So here comes the warrior princess, except she doesn't have a sword in her hand. She's wearing a faux leather skirt, a faux leather belt, and a crop top. This belt is from Mango and the skirt is from H&M. I forgot to mention about the hat. The hat is like a statement piece that you would find most New Yorkers wearing.
'Cause you really make me wanna fight. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason.
So here is the stock market agent version of Mansa. She's on her way to Dalal Street or Wall Street. I think she's smart, sexy, and super cool, if I may say so. Because a girl in the bull and bear market, bull and bear market has to be smart, right?
Go to sleep at night. You really make me wanna fight. Cross my heart and hope to die.
So for most outfits, I keep taking inspiration from what I see around me. So this is actually like an outfit that a girl would wear on a cruise ship because she needs to run faster. So there's a slit on her skirt. And this outfit is made using a pencil skirt and wearing a crop top in the reverse way actually.
You're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
So sorry, there's so much glare on my glasses over here, but I couldn't help it. I made this outfit using 3 shirts, a black, white and a grey shirt, and then I paired it up with a checks trouser. I think these glasses are super cool, right? Like they're actually very new in the market. I have been on a quest for finding them. Of course I did find them online on a few places, but they were too expensive, but I had to like go around the local market to find one for me.
Promise I'll be with you as soon as I find a way up. Yeah. 'Cause you're farther than a kiss on the phone. There's things about you I'll never know.
Initially when I got this skirt, I was so confused how I would style it because it is not so easy to style, but I guess I figured out a way. So this is a black thigh-high sheer split skirt. Oh my god, that's like so many objectives in one sentence. But I think I totally love this look because it looks super chic and also anybody can fall in love with this look. Over here I used my black hair accessory to turn it into a bow along with this white color shirt and this faux leather skirt. And to complete off this look, I wore a hat and I think that totally looks super fab.
I finally know the reason why, yeah. I'm never really satisfied, yeah. Waking up a paradise, yeah. Without you by my side. Imagine I walk through your doorway. Imagine skipping all the foreplay. Imagine all the stars in one place. 'Cause you really make me wanna fight.
I felt like this lookbook could be incomplete if I did not inculcate a high school look. So this is my version of a high school look. Everything I'm wearing in this look is from H&M, the hair accessory, the dress, the shirt, the shoes and also the bag. So yeah, it's a total H&M high school girl look.
Lonely, you're the reason why.
Chin chick. So for this outfit, she's wearing a houndstooth print dress. Yes, you heard that right. It's actually houndstooth print. Layered with a white shirt and then tying it off. So I think that's a classic look of a girl walking on the street.
You're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
So I hope you enjoyed all the looks. Do let me know which one is your favorite in the comment section. I look forward to reading your comments, and also let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from me. Up until next time, bye bye.